How can you burn more calories during the day without going to the gym? A little bit of history. Modern society is characterized by a sedentary lifestyle. This lifestyle is mainly due to reduce of the daily physical activity. Because of work mechanization, increased use of private vehicles and public transport, and conversion of the leisure activity time to screen time. To resolve this problem, since the 80s, there's been a dramatic increase in the number of gyms around the world. So, unlike before the 80s, nowadays most of the physical activity is based on the gym. The contemporary approach is different. The new goal is to create an active lifestyle by increasing the daily physical activity. So, how can you be more active during the day and burn more calories in the routine? Clean the house. Home cleaning is considered an appropriate counterpart to effective physical training. Cleaning and arranging your home can help you burn in average around 250 to 350 calories per hour. This expense is equivalent to 1 hour of Pilates training or 40 minutes of aerobics. In addition, according to household cleaning studies, it also helps to lower the blood pressure and improve the health. Surprising fact is that only knowing that fact has a placebo effect that increases the positive effect of the home cleaning. Get off the bus few stops before yours. When you use public transport, you don't have to drop off at your destination station. If you just get down one stop before yours, you can add about 10 minutes more walking to your daily routine. In a 10 minutes walk, you burn about 35 calories, meaning that if you do it 2 or 3 times a day, or you get down several stations before, you can burn the sandwich that you ate for breakfast. If you don't use public transport, park your car in a remote parking lot, or at the far end of it, so you have longer walk to your destination. Don't use the elevator, use the stairs. While we use the stairs, we burn around 10 to 20 calories. It means that if we replace the stairs with the elevator only 3 times a day, we can burn around 50 calories a day, which are 350 calories in a week, which is the same amount of calories that can be burned in 1 hour workout in the gym. In addition, daily use of stairs raise the HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, and improve the cardiovascular health. Use steps counting application. Use the mobile steps application or steps count clock to track the number of your steps per day. It's recommended to set a daily goal of at least 5,000 to 6,000 steps. This goal will allow you to burn around 150 calories more per day, which is equivalent to eating 2 Kinder chocolate fingers. Setting the daily target can motivate you to be more active during the day, which helps to fight the sedentary lifestyle. Another way to increase the motivation to do more steps is to do steps competition between friends and family. Start to cook. Spend more time on preparing high-quality meals. Kitchen works, such as cooking, dishwashing, and cleaning, will help you to burn around 200 calories per hour. Therefore, if you spend around 3 hours to prepare the weekend dinner, you can give up on 2 workouts at the gym. In addition, cooking by yourself instead of eating outside allow you to control the amount of sugar, salt, and oil in your food. In this way, you can eat healthier and more dietary meals. Don't sit, stand. Studies have long connected sedentary lifestyle to poor health, including high risk to cardiovascular disease, diabetes type 2, kidney disease, and even cancer. Standing instead of sitting for 6 hours during the day will make you burn around 54 extra calories a day, meaning that in a period of 1 year you will lose around 2.5 kilos of your body weight. In addition, multiple breaks from sitting, even just for a minute every hour, will contribute to your heart health and to maintain narrow waist circumference. Therefore, it's highly recommended to get a standing desk, to do short meetings standing, and to do multiple breaks during the day. If you have a long phone call, do it while you are walking. Who of us doesn't have phone calls that last half an hour and even more? If you know it in advance, use this opportunity to increase your daily steps number. The conversation distract our minds and allow us to walk for longer without to pay attention. In this way, we can burn extra calories very easy and to increase the daily number of steps. For example, in half-hour walk, we burn around 100 calories, which are equivalent to eating 2 apples. In conclusion, if you keep stick with these simple actions like cleaning, cooking, standing, and walking more during the day, step counting, and reducing the use of elevators and motorized transport, you can easily burn between 300 to 600 extra calories a day. This number is equivalent to 1 or 2 fitness workouts and require less effort and investment of your time. Moreover, daily active lifestyle is healthier and causes less injuries than going to the gym. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Feel free to comment and ask questions.